Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start unit number 3rd, that is basic ICT skills. Yes, my dear students, in this unit we will do work in MS Word. Here, first topic is how to open the MS Word. For that, click on Start. All program list is here. Now click on Word 2016. Here is Word 2016. Just click on it. Now this kind of screen will appear in front of you. This is called MS Word. Now next topic is here. I want to create the blank sheet. Just click on blank. This is the way by which we can create a document. Suppose we want to write here, then with the help of keyboards we can write. Suppose I write, hello, how are you? Clear? And next topic is here. Suppose in place of this you want to create a new document, then how you can create? For that, click on File. Here you will find new option. When you click on new, again it will ask from you want to create a blank document? Yes. Now it's create a blank document for you. Now I'm going to close this document because we want to work with this document. Next topic is here, saving a document. Suppose, my dear students, this is my document and now I want to save this document. Then how I can do? For that, you can use 3 options. First is with the help of shortcut key, that is Ctrl+S. While I'm pressing Ctrl+S, it will show me this. Now select the place where you want to store. Suppose I want to browse and I want to save document on desktop. Select the path from here. Even if you want to store your document in C, D, E, F, any drive, you can select from here. Because I want to save this document on desktop, that's why I select here desktop. After that, give the file name. Suppose I want to write the file name, that is hello, and then click on save. This is one method. And another method is you can click on file, again save dialog box, click on save as dialog box will appear. Just write down the name and select the path and then you can save. And another method is this one, from the quick access toolbar. In title bar you can see on the left hand side 4 or 5 options are here. These are called quick access toolbar. Our next topic is here, text editing. All of you know that, my dear students, text editing means make editing in the text. Suppose I want, this is my document and I want to add some additional text in this. Suppose I write here, I'm fine. Clear? This is called text editing. And suppose you want to delete this line. This is called text editing, means want to add or delete something from the text. That point is called text editing. Next is here text alignment. Yes, my dear students, suppose I just want to write one line, hello, how are you? Suppose this is my line and I just want to copy and paste this line again and again. Suppose this is my text. Clear? Alignment. Next point in your book is, that is alignment. Alignment of means, my dear students, set the text position. All of you know that there are 4 types of text alignment. Left, these are here, left text alignment, center, right alignment, and justify. By default your text is left aligned. Now I want to set this text in center. You can do in this way. Otherwise, because it's do center only this slide. Why? Because mouse position is there. But for that we have to select the text. And now I want to set my text in center. It's set in center. Right? Equal margin from right side, but no equal margin from left side. Justify means equal margin from both sides, left and right. Next is here font size, type and face. Font size means, my dear students, from here you can increase or decrease the size of the font. I am going to increasing. You can see the changes in the text like this. I am decreasing, it is decreasing. Suppose I want to set it to 24. This is called font size. And if you want to change the font face, you can also change from here. Font face means language. Suppose I want to do in this way, in this way, anything you can choose. Whatever you like, you can choose. Now next point is here, header and footer. Header and footer means, my dear students, you can also apply header and footer of your for your text. Suppose, and how you can add header and footer. Click on insert. Basically, why we use the header and footer? My dear students, if you want to set a common heading for all the pages, for that we use header. And how we can use? Click on insert, then click on header. When I click on header, it shows me the different types in which way you want to set. Suppose I just want to write this. Suppose in header, I want to write Dr. M.K. Arya Model School. Clear? Now, this thing I set in header. Now, what is the main benefit of header? Now you can see here is a page 1. Now, suppose I want to add page 2. I add page 2, that is 2 of 2 means it means I added one more page. You can see header automatically appear here, means you just set header for only page number 1. It will automatically applicable for the rest of the pages. In a similar way, footer is a reverse of header. Header shows at the top of the page and footer shows at the bottom of the page. And in a similar way, if you want to remove header, then how you can do? Again, click on now suppose this is header and you want to remove this header, then just click on the header and from here you will see option close header and footer. If you click on close, then your header and footer will disappear. Next point is here, autocorrect. Autocorrect means, my dear students, automatically correct the spelling. Suppose that I write here our spelling wrong. Clear? Now, just right click here. Otherwise, because in LibreOffice Writer, we just right click and then we can do. But in this, how we can do? For that, we have to click on review. There, we will find the option proofing. For that, how we can do? We just click on review. Here you will see proofing tab, and in proofing tab, here is a spelling and grammar option. You can just click on it and it will automatically show you the wrong spellings. Next point is here, number and bullet list. Yes, my dear students, when we use the numbered and bulleted list, here you can see these are called bulleted list and these are called number list. Means number list means what? When we want to represent our data with the help of a proper sequence, means when we want to represent our data into a sequencing form, then we use number list. And in another way, if we don't want to represent our data into a sequence, then we use bulleted list. Suppose this is my text here and I want to use bulleted list. Means without sequence, if I want to represent my data, what I use? I will use bulleted list. But if in place of bulleted, if I want to represent my data into sequence, then I use numbered list. Now it is all about your today's class. Rest of the topics we will discuss in next class.